Hey there, you awesome creative pals, and welcome back to the magic world of easy peasy art. Today we're diving headfirst into a whimsical wonderland as we draw a cheeky bat and a delicious candy corn. So get your art supplies ready because we're about to embark on an epic adventure filled with fun, color, and creativity. Let's kick things off by sketching our bat's head. Start with those two super alert ears, followed by a big round face. But hold on, we're about to give this bat some serious character. Our bat is no ordinary bat, it's a mischievous one. So draw one eye big and sparkly and the other one closed in a wink. Add a cheeky grin with two adorable teeth sticking out. Now let's soar to the next level. Give your bat a round, plump torso. And big open wings that are stretched out wide. Don't forget to add those tiny matchstick-like toes. It's all in the details, my friends. But wait, there's more excitement to come. Place our candy corn right below your bat's feet, as if our cheeky bat is holding it tight while soaring away with a happy wink. To make this candy corn adventure even more captivating, let's give our candy corn a rather worrisome expression. Draw both eyeballs, one looking up and the other gazing down. And add some pursed, wavy lips. It's almost as if it's too dizzy to speak. Now it's time to splash some color onto our playful bat. Let it shine in a vibrant shade of blue. Its tummy proudly showing off a regal purple hue. The inner side of those wings? They deserve a happy pink shade. And of course, our candy corn should dazzle in those classic orange and yellow stripes. Ta-da! We've brought to life a whimsical bat and a candy corn bursting with personality. And now, before we part ways, if you had a blast with this video and you're ready for more creative escapades, go ahead and show us some love by smashing that like button below. Be sure to subscribe to Easy Peasy Art for even more fun and quirky art projects. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep those pencils moving, keep creating, and keep having fun.